Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will ensure you have access to all your personalized settings and preferences. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon located there. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Country and Language. This is where Indeed stores all your localization preferences, allowing you to customize your experience based on your location and preferred language for navigating the platform. Once you click on that option, a new page or panel will open up, presenting you with a comprehensive list of country and language options. Indeed supports multiple languages and regional settings, so you'll see various combinations to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the available options and find the language and country combination that best suits your needs. Now simply click on your preferred language and country option from the list. As soon as you make your selection, Indeed will automatically apply these changes to your account. You'll notice that the interface, job listings, and all other text elements throughout the platform will now display in your chosen language. This makes it much easier to navigate the site and understand job descriptions if English isn't your primary language or if you're searching for opportunities in a specific region. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings on your Indeed account, making your job search experience more personalized and accessible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.